The culture of safety at McElroy is integrated into everything we do. The biggest impact we have is our employees feeling like not only this is a safe place to work, but they don't have to worry about their well-being. In addition, because we put such a big focus on it, they hold each other accountable. So if an employee sees something that they don't like, they have an obligation and a responsibility to raise their hand and say, I saw something that didn't seem safe, and they try to get it fixed right away. So they're not saying that's management's responsibility, they're taking ownership of it. And that's deep within our culture.
The national average for our facility is like a 5.0, and we're sitting at like a 1. It's like we're way below the national average. We only had one OSHA reportable in 2017 at Admirals, which is amazing considering we have 70 plus machines. We have the welding operation, we have a finishing area, maintenance, and to only have one OSHA recordable for all of 2017 is very amazing. In the last 2 years, we really have had just unbelievable years here.
McElroy, as a company, we have a saying that we are not going to ask employees to do things that could potentially harm them or harm others, and that is a priority. We talk about safety as a group every single day. We acknowledge and recognize the fact that we have made it one more day, for example, without a lost time accident. We celebrate that fact. These employees, they're the ones that are doing the work. They are the ones that recognize the nuances of the operation better than anybody else. They're the ones that recognize where there may be a safety issue and what can be done to prevent it, rather than improvements being directed from the top. Management saying these improvements need to be made in order to be lean. We give that power to the employees, and we do that in a real way.
2-second lean is a very simplified version of lean manufacturing, and it really distills it down to employees making a change in their daily life that improves their day by 2 seconds or more. We give them 30 minutes every day. It's called lean and clean time, and we ask them to clean up their areas or make improvement videos. A lot of the videos that our employees have come up with have actually been safety videos. And every morning we get together, we do some interesting stretches, which is a lot of fun, and we share some of those videos. So when an employee identifies a dangerous situation, something that's unsafe, they're able to show it to the rest of the company. I mean, safety incidences can jump up and bite you. They happen in an instant. So McElroy's dedication to safety, which has put a lot of time and effort into taking all 3 of our production plants and making them SHARP certified, have prevented the entire range of accidents.
The 2-second lean program that we have, everybody has a say-so in helping keep the whole shop safe. You know, it has to be a cultural thing, not just a set of rules. Here you go, don't get hurt. They actually walk the walk.
We are to the point where we every now and then we might have an injury, but we're not having the long-term surgeries and lost times. So the safety program has been a big part of that. I kind of think of the employees out here as my family. I never would want to put any of my family at risk. I want to know them personally and talk to them, and I want them to be open to be able to discuss any issues with me related to safety. You got to have that type of culture, and that's what I feel that we've created here at McElroy.